topic is subtraction. Already we know what is subtraction, what are the main points of the subtraction. Already we have discussed in the last class. Now let's see the examples. Find the difference. Subtract 75 from 96. Already we learned in last class subtraction always possible from big number to small number. Here given question is horizontal method. Why? Because side by side is given. You arrange them into vertical method, then you subtract. Okay, always you write first big number. What is the big number in these two numbers? 96 is big number. Okay, write 96. And one more, subtract 75 means you subtract 75 from 96. అంటే 96 నుండి 75 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి అని అర్థం. ఓకే, you subtract 75 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి from 96 అంటే 96 నుండి. ఓకే, see now first you write 96 then 75. Okay, you arrange them in vertical method one below the other according to their places. Here already we have discussed 96 it is big number. Big number is called minuend. Here 75 is small number. It is called subtrahend. It is answer. Answer is called difference. Okay. Now subtract. Always subtraction start from ones column, then tens column, and then hundreds column. First you subtract ones column 6 minus 5. Okay. Already we know. Okay, you subtract before number from any number. Always answer is 1. Okay, 6 before 5. So that's why 6 minus 5 is column. 9 minus 7. Open 9 fingers, cut 7 fingers. See like this. Open 9 fingers, cut 7 fingers. How many left? 2. Right here 2. So what is the answer? 21. It is the difference. Let's see one more example. Subtract 88 from 98. Okay, arrange them into vertical method. Arrange them one below the other. Given question is horizontal method. Arrange them into vertical method one below the other according to their places. See, in subtraction always you write first big number. See, 98 minus small number is 88. Okay, now subtract first ones column, then tens column. See, 8 minus 8. Open 8 fingers, cut 8 fingers. 8 minus 8, 0. One more clue already we learn in main points is subtract any number from itself. The answer is always 0. So you can say 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 8. Here 9 before 8. You subtract before number from any number. The difference is always 1. So 9 minus 8, 1. One more example. Subtract 26 from 58. First write big number 58, then 26. Under the 58, arrange the 26 like this. It is given question horizontal method. Arrange them into vertical method. See, first you subtract ones column, then tens column. Here 8 minus 6. Open 8 fingers, cut 6 fingers. Okay, 8 minus 6. You open 8 fingers like this. Cut 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cut. How many left? 1, 2. 2 left. Right here 2. Then 5 minus 2. Open 5 fingers. From this 5 you cut 2. See, open 5 fingers. From these 5 fingers you cut 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, next one more example. Subtract 35 from 86. First you write 86. Then 35. Under the 86 you write 35. See, arrange them into vertical method. 86 minus 35. First you subtract ones column. 6 minus 5. Open 6 fingers. Cut 5 fingers. See like this. Already we know we subtract before number from any number. The answer is always 1. Okay, now here 8 minus 3. Open 8 fingers, cut 3 fingers. See like this. 8 fingers open, cut 3 fingers. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Okay, see. Subtract 29 from 85 by regrouping. Regrouping means here by borrowing. Okay, you know. See, if first big number is 85. Next 25. Arrange them into vertical method like this. Okay, first you subtract ones column, then tens column. First you subtract 5 minus 9. Open 5 fingers, cut 9 fingers. Can you cut? No. From 5 we can't subtract 9 because 5 is the small number. Subtraction always possible from big number to small number. Yes, from 5 to 9 we can't subtract. It is not possible. So what you do, you take borrow from 8. See here, 8 borrowed means 7 left. That 8, you write 7. 8 gives only 1 10 borrow. 8 1 borrowed means how many left? Before number 7. Now 5 become 15. See here, give an example. If you take borrow to 0, 0 become 10. If you take borrow to 1, 1 become 11. 2 become 12, 3 become 13, 4 become 14, 5 become 15, 6 become 16, 7 become 17, 8 become 18, 9 become 19. Okay, like this 5 become 15. Okay, see here, 5 become 15. Now 15 minus 9. Have you 15 fingers? No. Now, how you take 15 fingers? Part of the finger. See, 1, 2, 3. In one finger you have 3 parts. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 15. Up to here you got 15. From these 15 parts, you cut 9 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining parts you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts were left? 6. So now you say 15 minus 9, 6. Now 7 minus 2. Now open 7 fingers like this. Cut 2 fingers. How many left? 5. 7 minus 2, 5. It is 56. Okay. Now one more example. Subtract 56 from 90. Okay, 90 is big number. First write 90. Then under the 90, you write 56. Now first you subtract 1's column, then 10's column. Okay, here 0 minus 6. Can you subtract from 0? No, 0 is the small number, 6 is the big number. From 0 we can't subtract. Then what you do? You take borrow. Okay, 9 you take borrow from 9. 9 borrowed means 8 left before number. 0 becomes here, 0 become 10. 0 become 10. Okay, take borrow from 9. 9 borrowed means 8 left. 0 become 10. Now you subtract 10 minus 6. Open 10 fingers. Have you 10 fingers? No, like this. Open 10 fingers. Cut 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. Now 10's column. 8 minus 5. Open 8 fingers like that. Okay, cut 5 fingers. How many left? 3. Okay, 8 minus 5, 3. Now I given some questions to you. You arrange them in vertical method, one below the other. Okay, you subtract by borrowing and by without borrowing. Questions are there here. You solve them. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.